Hey everyone, this is going to be a bike check. Maybe some flat clips, I'm not sure. So let's see how I'm feeling. So just starting at the top, I have Colony Mushroom Grips and Fiction Troop Bars, they're 865 tall. And I'm riding a stock front load DK stem. I have a FSA Pig headset, DK forks, Hoffman generator complete front wheel, and a Hoffman hub guard. I have two stock pegs, not sure which kind. They're really slim though, so I like them. They haven't dented like the ones that came with the bike. DK front tire, 75 psi stock, so I mean it rides good. It's a nice tire for complete Walmart tire or something. DK seat and seat post combo. No specific model, just generic. It's kind of uncomfortable, but I want to get a pivotal seat soon. For my seat clamp, I just have a stock seat clamp. The whole drivetrain is stock, except for my back wheel. DK pedals, just DK cranks, mid-bottom bracket 19mm. DK sprockets made of steel. I seem to bend aluminum sprockets more than I do steel sprockets, and I'm glad I could have steel sprocket again. Just normal KMC chain, Primo Mix custom built wheel. I got the whole wheel for 45 bucks. It's got a mix hub, not the remix, the V1 mix hub. Well, yeah, mix hub. The remix is a different model. There's no second version called that. Primo spokes. I believe Primo spoke nipples and Alienation rim, and the Colony tire in the back. I'm riding like 90 psi in that one, so I mean it's pretty good. And here's a little hub sound. Oh, and I forgot to mention I have a G Sport gland hub guard, and yeah, that's it. The bike's pretty light and I like it. Rides good, smooth. So, it's on Bike Check. Thanks for watching.